how to enable or disable pinch to zoom text on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Message App. After click on Message App, click on this profile icon. After click on this profile icon, scroll down to and click on Message Settings. After click on Message Setting, if you want to enable or disable pinch to zoom text, you will see pinch to zoom conversation text is here. If you want to disable pinch to zoom conversation text, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see pinch to zoom conversation text is disabled. If you want to enable pinch to zoom conversation text, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see pinch to zoom conversation text is enabled. You will enable or disable pinch to zoom conversation text from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable pinch to zoom text on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.